If you want a career that pushes you to new heights, listen up. Because today we are learning about the CMA USA or Certified Management Accountant, which is your passport to the world of finance and opportunities. Have you ever imagined getting an international certification in just 12 to 18 months? One that is valued in more than 150 countries and trusted by leading global employers? With CMA USA, you can make that happen. The CMA USA is a globally recognized certification offered by the Institute of Management Accountants IMA USA and is specifically designed for finance professionals who want to work in business strategy, analysis, and decision making. The CMA USA consists of two sections. Part 1 is financial planning, performance, and analytics. The second section focuses on strategic financial management. Each exam lasts 4 hours and consists of 100 multiple choice questions and 2 essay scenarios designed to test your problem-solving abilities. To pass, you will need a minimum scale score of 360 out of 500. The good news is that the exams are adaptable. You can take them in January, February, May, June, or September, October, allowing you to schedule your time around college or work. You can begin preparing for CMA USA immediately after 12th grade, no matter which stream. To become certified, you must have a bachelor's degree and 2 years of relevant work experience, which can be completed prior to or after passing the exams. CMA USA holders are in high demand in industries such as finance, consulting, technology, and manufacturing. The list of job titles includes financial analyst, cost controller, finance manager, business consultant, and many more. CMA salaries range from 5 to 10 lakhs in India and much higher globally, often getting double with experience. In addition to numbers, CMA USA provides you with global identity. It demonstrates your ability to analyze data, make financial decisions, and lead teams from anywhere in the world. In short, CMA USA is more than just a certification. It's a program that transforms your understanding of finance and opens the door to global success faster than you could have ever imagined. So if you want to earn money on a global scale, CMA USA is your starting point, and we can guide you on the right path to your goal. Take the first step towards becoming a global financial professional with us.